nice and covered. Bring that into your frying pan. And it's going to start frying very quickly. This is going to be so delicious. You dip your vegetables into your egg, into your breadcrumbs. Make sure they're fully coated, 100% coated, like that. Perfect. Beautiful. And you're going to stick that into your frying pan as well. So delicious. It's going to be so good. I cannot wait for you guys to see what this looks like. I have some delicious onion rings that we're going to deep fry. You're going to make homemade onion rings. Bring them into your breadcrumbs. This is going to be so delicious. You can use flour if you want. It's going to be so good. Grab that again. Stick it right into your oil. I cannot wait to eat that. With these tomatoes for a delicious steak and veggie dinner. And again, coat them just like that, all over. Tomatoes into your frying pan. Oh, it smells so delicious already. Some asparagus, and I only want to use 3 because I don't want my dairy to smell. We're going to go ahead and put these in our bread. How do you guys like your steak stuck? I like mine medium, so when I cut my steak open, you guys are going to see how nice and pink it is on the inside. I love it when it's nice and pink. Into the pan it goes. 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. It's going to be so delicious. Cannot wait for you guys to see what this looks like at the end. So good. Every steak needs some seasonings. I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic powder into mine. You can put as little as you want. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder. Just a tiny pinch. Some Italian seasoning because I love delicious Italian steak. Italian sausage is my favorite, but you can never go wrong with steak too. It's just going to be so good when I cut this open. And the most important seasoning of all, I love salt and pepper veggies. Yummy, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my steak over. Grab your steak, put that baby on its side. Look how nice and toasty.
Can't wait to cut that open, see the inside.
Same with our veggies. Flip our fried veggies. So yummy. Just wait and see what this looks like on the inside. Beautiful and pink. Perfect, just how I like it. So yummy. Doesn't it smell good? It smells like a nice, delicious 5-star restaurant. Let's go ahead and take the steak out now. Look at that. We're going to cut it open. It's going to be so delicious. I cannot wait to open that up and eat it. It's going to be so good. Yummy. Look at those delicious veggies we made. Doesn't that just look good? So appetizing. Go ahead and grab our steak. Ooh, that smells delicious. Look at that. Nice and tender steak. Yummy. With my little asparagus on top. Let's go ahead and cut this baby open. Look at how delicious this looks. Let me grab my fork. Oh, look at how nice and tender that looks. we're gonna have a really nice and delicious pink inside. You can already see that. Oh my gosh. Let's cut that open. Smells so good. Just how I like it. Just how I like it. How do you guys like your steak? Because this is exactly how I like mine. Beautiful and medium. Look at that. So good. Are you ready to eat some dinner? This is so delicious. This is exactly why my husband married me. Yum. He's gonna be so happy when he comes home from work.